Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about basically this is the binary trading bot. As you can see, the website I'm in currently app.deriv.com. So basically, people have been asking me how the bot works, how do they load the bot or anything. I don't like doing both videos. Why? Because I prefer trading manually, right? Because I know I can trade manually, so I don't really need both to trade. Although this bot is not trading forex indices, it's trading synthetic indices, right? That is the volatility index, 1 second tick, something like that. So it's not really like it's trading the markets we trade anyway. So but like many people don't really want to trade manually. It's normal. It's just your decision to make, right? And believe me, this boat is not just like a regular boat, or it's just rare. You understand? You cannot like you can create your own boat. Definitely they have many boats, but like this boat is basically, it's not like an individual boat. Let me just put it that way. Okay, I would just say it's a company boat, like, because yes, I got it from a company, yeah, and it was sent to me, will I say mistakenly? I don't really think so anyway, but like, yeah. So basically I want to get the file. Once I get the file, I'll continue this video. I'm looking for the file right now. Okay guys, the file is right here. Okay, this is the file, and I'll be loading it for you guys to see. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, it will load, then it will open. Basically this is a dollar 20k USD account. So I'll be setting the price I want to be trading with, right? So if you want to set the price, this place that you see 0.5 is where you will just edit to put the price. But I'll just click on open first. For now I'll just open the boat, you understand? So once you load the boat, you click on reset. If you see this reset, you click on it, reset, right? You just reset the data, click on OK. So basically I'll explain this interface. This is your total stake, your total payout, number of runs, profit and loss, your wins and your loss. Everything is self-explanatory. Then when you click on transaction, you see the transaction. When you click on journal, you see what is happening. So I'll click on transaction. You click on transaction, you see your entry and your exits and your buy price, and your buy price, that is profit and loss analysis. Then let's click on journal. When you click on journal, you see some details here, but once I run the bots now, you see the details. Basically, remember, this is on a demo, and believe me, this bot, there are times it works with respect to time of the day, right? So once you get the bot, if you need it, I will tell you the time and give you the rules, the details of using the bot for maximum profit or maximum return. So using this bot at this time is not really advisable overall. I don't trade when I'm using the bot currently by this time. Like, this is my Deriv account. If you want to use the bot, you have to have a Deriv account. That is binary.com. You understand? So I'll be editing the price right now to run the bot. So just remove the 0.5. Let's say I'll be using 1000. Let's say 1000. Yeah. So I'm done. I just inputted 1000. Once I inputted 1000, means I'll be trading with 1000 USD, right? You understand? And remember, there is risk. You're risking anyway. It's not like a win-win. But the bots, if you check my old videos, which I'll be dropping the link on this video description, you watch these boats. I had 20 runs, right? 20 good runs here. Total number of runs 20, and no loss. It was all win, and it was a live account. I'll drop the video link. I did this a year ago. I did the video a year ago, right? So it was all wins, right? And it was a live account. I was using LUTC to trade, that is Litecoin, then a year ago. I'll drop the link. So I don't really want to say much again about the bot, because I've shown itself already. Like, if you go, I'll make sure to drop links of the old videos about the bot on the video description, right? I will drop it so that anybody, you can just go and rewatch them, you understand? So currently I'll be clicking on run for those asking if it's still working, if it's still good. So let us see. Okay, so this is run right now. Remember, I said this is not the best time to literally use the bot, because the market tends to be more faster. Currently you can see this is a loss. Well, watch what the bot will do now. When you lose once, you will see what the bot will do to bring you back to profit. You understand? When you lose just once, the boat will run again. So basically, if you go to transaction, you will see loss. If you come to journal, you see what is happening. Win payout, highest digit 10. Okay, you understand? So you can see now, see we are in profit right now. As you can see, we are in profit of 1192, although we took a loss, right? But what did this boat do? This boat increased the amount of stake to bring us back to profit. You can see we set it normally at 1000, right, to trade with 1000 USD, but we had a loss, just one loss, and it both increased to bring us back to what, profit, right, to bring us back to profit. And you can see when you use 1000 to win, once you win, you get like plus 40%, I guess. So it's cool, right? And also you can see how the boat works. It's not like you will not lose, right? Even if you lose or you had a loss, the boat will still like bring you back, increase your stake to bring you back to what, profit. But what you should avoid is once the boat loses once, it's just for you to stop the boat and click on reset up here. But like, this is not the best time anyway. If this is the best time, you will not see all these losses, right? In fact, seeing this initial loss is just a red flag for me. When I use the boats, I'll just close. I know that yes, this is not the right time. So but like, I've used the boats and I understand the right times to trade. Besides, this is a demo account, okay, I have nothing to do, so I cannot use my real account to trade by this time. But if you still want to watch me trading live account at the particular exact time, check the, I'll be dropping the link of the video. I did this video a year ago, you understand, at the video description. Like, I'll be dropping the link to the video so that you watch it and see what is going on, or how it's literally what happened, right? So that is that for now. So as I said, you should just try to, make sure you don't lose twice. Although if you lose twice, the boat will automatically stop itself, right? Which is also great to stop your losses. Yeah, but assuming it was the best time, you wouldn't even see any loss, or of its kind. It's not like there is no loss. If you follow the right rules and regulation, the right instruction, as I did, and got 20 runs, no loss, you will definitely make profit from it. You don't just you need more knowledge in anything you're doing. That is why I even prefer manually, because yes, I still understand it. So you don't just trade blindly. And let me show you why the market is literally having losses or behaving like this, right? If you go to the basically, if you're in Deriv, you click on this the both side, you still have MT5. You guys remember, if you want to use it as your MT5 broker, if you go to the trade side, you will see how the market is moving very rapidly. So the boat does not really, you have to trade when the market is slow overall. That is the best time to use the boat. Let me just say that best time to use the boat is when the market is what, slow. So let me show you the speed of what is trading currently. You watch here. As you can see from here, you can see the market is very fast, you understand. You should just try to avoid this rapid price movement. You can see how the market is literally moving. So this is why the boat is having losses. But there is a time when this market is just small, like it's not that fast, and the boat picks it up and you make massive profits, right? So that is just that there is volatility in the market. This is PM session currently, so we'll be entering PM session very soon. So that is why you see the boats like encountering losses. But anyway, if you need the boats, do well to contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram. Also do well to like, subscribe and share. I'll be going back to forex content very soon. You can see I dropped crypto content last week, and basically the crypto is basically at the region we wanted it anyway, so it was a buy anyway. So once again, thanks for watching this YouTube video. Bye bye.